Hello, back again. I'm just going to show you how to install my bus timetable add-on. This can only be used in London because it's using the TFL API, which is free to use. It doesn't need any login, which is handy. You can just use it. I can in the future if other places, say in England or anywhere, say in Great Britain or around the world, has a free API. I think I can swap it to use them. That might be possible. Thing I'll do, I'll just give you a quick preview of what we're installing. This is installed on my Raspberry Pi running in Kiosk mode. Thing it does, it shows you your bus route, the direction it's going in, and the bus stops you picked. Right, thing I'll do now is show you how to install it, which is quick and easy. It's just a single script which you cut and paste. Let me go back. Right, we're going to be using a bit of software called Putty. So just enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. Mine's 192.168.1.163. I'm just going to make the text bigger on screen so it's easier for you to read. And then click open. Just make that larger. Now enter in your login. Mine's Pi. Then enter your password. Now I'm just going to open the script. You'll find a link in the description. This is the script we're going to be using. So I'm just going to go edit, select all, going to right click and copy. I'm just going to minimize that. All you need to do is right click and paste it. And then just press enter. First thing it's going to do is ask you for your bus number, say the bus route you use. So I'm going to use bus route 22. First thing it's going to do is ask you which direction you're going, say from Oxford Circus to Putney Common, or if you're going the other way, Putney Common to Oxford Circus. I'm going to enter 1 for inbound, press enter. Now it's going to find all the bus stops for that route. Let me just scroll down. And I will use, I'll just go 14 for Walpole Street. So just enter in the number, so 14 for the bus stop you're going to be using. Press enter. Click Y to enter another stop. Enter your bus number again. So I'm going to go for 35. Same again, what direction you're going. Say Shoreditch to Clapham Junction or Clapham Junction to Shoreditch. I will go 2. I'll go outbound this time. So just enter in 1 or 2. Now it's going to find the stops again. Let me just scroll up. I will go for 33, which is East Street. I think there's a market down East Street, or there used to be. So just enter in 33 and then press enter. I would just use a maximum of 3 bus stops for now. So I'm just going to enter in another one. I'm going to go for bus route or bus number 44. Click enter. And what direction I'm going in. Say Tooting Station to Victoria Station or Victoria Station to Tooting Station. So which direction you're going in. So I'm going to go for 1. Just press enter. Same again, it's going to find all the stops. Which one shall I go for? I'm going to go for Burntwood Lane. So just enter in 11 and press enter. So just use a maximum of 3 stops for now. So I'm just going to press enter to finish. It's going to update every 60 seconds, but you can change that if you want to. So it'll update every minute. Now I'm just going to enter Y and reboot. And that's everything done. So you can close that window, just click OK, and we can close PuTTY. That's everything done. Your Raspberry Pi running in Kiosk mode will now reboot. Thing I do, I'll go over to my Raspberry Pi running in Kiosk mode. Thing I'm doing, I'm capturing HDMI out. Just gives me a clearer picture. So when it first reboots, you'll now see a set of tabs, because you'll now have one for weather and one for buses, which we just installed. Just going to click on buses. At the top, you'll see route, say route 22. 22 is your bus number, and then below it, the bus stop you picked for that route, and it'll give you the arrival times for each one. It'll also tell you, as it's showing now, if it's a special service, if the service is running normally, or if there's delays on the route. And it's exactly the same for the other two. Say you've got route 35, which is heading towards Shoreditch. The time for each bus, maximum of 3. And you've got route 44, which is going to Victoria Station. And you're getting on your bus at Burntwood Lane. So as always, I hope this video helps, and goodbye. Oh, before I go, I have got one for the Tube network, which I will make a video for, very soon. Also remember, this can only be used in London because it's using the TFL API. And the handy thing about using that is it doesn't need a login or anything. You can just use it as is, which is very handy. So once again, bye.